Hey there guys, today I want to show you a quick video on how to replace your thickness planer blades or knives. Here I have the 12.5 inch by Ryobi. In the instruction manual, it wants you to lower the planer down to 1 inch cutting height. Then you come to the back here, remove the dust chute. I already have it removed. I haven't installed it because I don't have any type of dust collection. Anyways, 2 screws to remove that. You will have your Allen key stored right here. You remove this one, then there will be another one on the opposite side. So once you remove those, move them off to the side into a secure place so you don't lose them. This here should just lift right off like that. Set that aside. Once you get your dust hood off, you want to be careful, and the instructions want you to wear gloves, but I'm not going to be touching the blades at all. So you just want to rotate it until the cutter head locks, and this is your lock release right here. You push the release so you can turn it again, but let's just lock it into place for now. Next you want to do is remove these 6 screws right here with your Allen key. I highly suggest you use a Allen key with a ratchet driver. Using this alone, you're gonna have to apply a bit of force to get them loose. Let me demonstrate for you. Now, if you have one of these, makes it a whole lot easier. Just like that. Okay, once you have all 6 of your locking screws, blade locking screws out, instructions say to use the magnets. I simply just got in there and just picked it up. You probably should use the magnets. Now, you want to back this up just a little bit, enough so that you can get your magnets and pick up the blade with both magnets. So I've had this planer for a while now, and I just want to show you on how dull these blades are. I can literally drag my finger across without getting cut, and it's not catching me at all. If you know me, I'm not very experienced with woodworking. This is my first time owning a thickness planer, yet alone first time replacing blades on a thickness planer. So I went out and bought a new set of blades without me knowing that you can flip these blades. They have 2 sides. So here's the old side, new side, and I'm just going to be doing that. Okay, next thing you want to do is clean the surface of the cutter head and also clean the back side of your blade. Have your magnets ready and in place, and you want to keep the flat side downward. Once you have your blade in place, you will have these little alignment guides. Same here, you will have alignment holes. Okay, once we have everything lined up, we can lock the cutter head again, getting our locking head screws back into place. Alright, so that's it guys. So I brought out my little torque wrench and I tried to find a spec for these, but it's a much lower spec than 20 inch-pounds. The tool provided is enough to tighten them up pretty good. You get it right in there, you twist, and that should be good enough. You should be able to feel the tool itself flex. The screw will stop turning, and that's pretty much it. Don't overforce it, obviously. Use common sense. Also, when replacing your blades, please use gloves, use your magnets, because I'm not responsible for your injury. Once you have everything secured, you can reinstall your dust hood. Don't forget your washer and screws. Okay, once you have your dust hood on, secure, and then you can install your dust port in, and she should be ready to go. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. This is how you replace the planer knives or blades on this 12.5 inch 2-blade Ryobi thickness planer. I just want to say that I've had this planer for a while. It works really well for what I need it for. I do a bunch of 2x4s mostly. 2x6s, it'll run just fine as well. You should plane up to 12.5 inches. Also, you can plane something as high as 6 inches. I do believe you can go just a little bit higher than that. For the price of this, I did get this on sale. It was really cheap at the time, so I went ahead and purchased it, and so far I am liking it. Right now, I am just a hobbyist, at-home user. This right here is fitting my needs. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you again in another video. I now have a mess to clean.